Yes.
Okay, so today as usual we are going to the evaluation. I will ask from the vocabularies first. Sorry, I'm coughing. Without opening the laptop, yes.
I cannot open it.
Because
The
of the
signal.
signal. Okay, so we will start from computer.
Okay.
Can you please explain desktop?
Desktop is the main screen on computer. Usually, when we open the screen on a computer, we see for the first. What is that? We see that screen for the first time. I mean, how to say it? Pertama kali.
The main screen, you mean?
Yes, the main screen on a computer. I mean, I add the additional explanation. I want to say when we open the laptop or computer, we can see the desktop first. Yes. After we turn on the computer.
So you mean the desktop consists of many menus? No?
Yes, some icons there.
Some icons.
Yes, some icons.
And programs. Yes. And programs.
Yes, and programs also, Miss.
Okay, so what is the function of this desktop actually?
To show some icons.
And then?
To show some picture also.
Show some pictures.
Yes.
So what is icon?
Icon, small picture that show something.
Shows.
We can choose one of the icon that we want to click, and then after that we can see something from that icon. For example, when we want to open yes, in our laptop, like G Drive, that icon we can click, we can double click G Drive, so we can see something that we want to see there.
Okay, IPAS. Where is this? IPAS. Alun-alun.
Alun-alun itu tempat terbuka untuk berkumpul. Maksudnya alun-alun ini bisa digunakan untuk untuk berkumpulnya orang-orang yang mengadakan suatu hajatan atau acara, atau juga bisa digunakan sebagai tempat berkumpulnya sekelompok orang-orang untuk melakukan sebuah atau sesuatu atau aktivitas di sana.
Oh, berarti nih alun-alun ini pokoknya dia tentang istilahnya tempat terbuka ya?
Iya, tempat terbuka.
Jadi kalau misalnya mereka berkumpul di tempat tertutup itu bukan alun-alun namanya ya?
Iya, itu bisa jadi seperti koridor atau gedung seperti pokoknya ruangan lah, Miss. Kalau yang tertutup pasti sebuah ruangan.
Aula?
Iya, aula.
Tapi aula kan tertutup dia, ditutupi atap.
Iya, tapi bedanya dengan alun-alun, kalau alun-alun terbuka, Miss. Kalau aula tertutup di dalam ruangan.
Oh, gitu ya. Iya. Oke. Jadi kalau misalnya orang berkumpul di lapangan, itu bisa termasuk alun-alun?
Kalau di lapangan itu tergantung lapangannya, Miss. Kalau misalnya lapangannya seperti lapangan bola, itu tidak termasuk alun-alun. Biasanya alun-alun itu terdapat beberapa fasilitas biasanya. Misalnya ada kayak bangku-bangku yang dibuat dari batu, atau tempat-tempat tempat spot foto juga bisa nih, spot foto di sini. Dibilang taman sih juga bukan, tapi adalah beberapa fasilitas yang diberikan sama mereka gitu di sana di alun-alun.
Oke. Berjemur.
Berjemur itu duduk di bawah matahari. Biasanya kalau kita berjemur itu kita ingin mendapatkan vitamin D untuk kulit kita agar kulit kita lebih sehat.
Vitamin D kita dapat dari
Sinar matahari.
matahari.
Makanya kita harus berjemur.
Oke. Health education. Scrub.
Scrub, rubbing something to make that object clean. For example, like we can scrub our body with the soap, so our body can be clean.
Twice.
Twice? Do it 2 times. For example, like we brush our teeth twice a week. Twice a day.
Twice a week.
No, I mean twice a day.
Twice a day.
Yes.
Okay, English. Cave house. Cave house.
Cave house is house built in a cave. It means like a house. There is a house in a cave. We can make a house inside there.
You make house inside the cave.
Yes.
How can you make house inside the cave?
I mean, like this means we design the cave like a house.
How can you design the cave like a house?
Inside
the cave.
Inside the cave, we can design in the cave like a house.
Like a house.
We can arrange
Decorate. We can
yes,
decorate.
decorate. I mean.
So this cave what is it made of?
Stone, sometimes also soil, but the hard soil.
Houseboat.
Boat that design as house, same like cave house. In a boat, we can design or decorate like a house. We can divide some room like bedroom or kitchen, and the others room.
Oh yes, houseboat.
Yes. Yard around 10 for living. This one like a tent that we built in the around. I mean, have you ever seen a house in the middle of the field? In the middle of the field.
In the middle of the field.
I mean, a tent like pengungsian means, but this one in another country have a tent built in the middle of the field.
Oh yes.
Yes. So we can decorate that house. We can decorate that yard like a house.
I thought this yard is like traditional house, no?
Yes, traditional house.
But you say like a tent.
Yes, a tent means, I mean, the house made of a tent.
A house made of a tent, but you put here not made of a tent. You put made of wood.
Wood?
And fabric.
A tent made of fabric, right? A tent.
You say made of a tent.
Yes.
You mean like around tent.
Yes, like around.
But
tent.
that is made of fabric.
Fabric. Sometimes fabric, but I never see made of by wood.
Made of wood.
I didn't make it.
No, this is yours. Don't say that I didn't make it. So that is not made of wood. made of fabric.
Actually, I never seen made of wood, yes. But I have ever seen made of by them. I ever seen.
Can you make sure this later? After you make sure, maybe you can edit.
Okay.
Here.
Yes.
Yeah. So that we just don't guess, right?
Actually, for the student, already past practice, and then I have shown to them, and then they know about the shape.
Yeah, I mean, please edit later. Maybe there will be a review for the next,
Okay.
so that this not be wrong again like last time.
Okay.
The parents complain.
So what should I do then?
Find
Change.
make sure first
Make sure first.
if the definition is correct.
Find the correct definition.
Yes.
Okay.
If this is correct, you don't need to edit. But if you think that some of them are wrong, maybe you can edit. You can add.
From their movies, I saw like that, like a tent.
Like a tent.
Yeah, in your field.
You say, I'm not sure that this is made of wood. To find out, is there any yard that made of wood, for example? Is it only made of fabric? Like that. I mean like that.
Okay.
Okay. Waves. Waves.
Waves move our hands to left or right. Usually we do this when we say hello for the first time or for some people, and then when we say goodbye to them also, like this.
Oh. So when you want to greet,
To greet, we can handshake.
handshake only.
Yes.
So for example, if you haven't meet your old friend for a long time, you cannot, and then find I mean suddenly you see that your old friend over there, right? You cannot
Yes.
make like this, like that, cannot.
Can, of course.
But you say only shake hands
No, that you said for greet,
for greeting.
for greeting.
Only shake hands, cannot like this. Hi.
Oh, I see. Greeting can say hello. So yes. Oh, yes. Can also wait. Yes.
Can be. Okay.
Yes. Sometimes can. Sometimes.
Because you put here to greet someone or say goodbye.
Oh. Say goodbye greeting, right? Oh, I see. Yes.
Okay then, don't be wrong ya.
Okay.
Education, science, require.
Require when we need something very important. Here, for example, like when we do a test, we use some tools, we use some stuff like a pencil, a pen, or eraser also. So we need this stuff very important because we want to write something. We use pen or pencil. Heat, warm that make things hot. For example, here, like the iron, when we switch on the iron to the socket, the iron can be heat, and we can use the iron to make our clothes become tidy.
PKN, batas.
Batas, tanda. Batas itu tanda untuk membatasi sesuatu. Maksudnya seperti tanda apa namanya, palang kereta api. Itu palang kereta api itu diberi tanda kepada kita ketika kereta api melintas. Tandanya kita tidak boleh melaju atau melewatinya karena kereta api sedang melintas.
Lingkungan?
Lingkungan itu suasana atau suasana di mana kita tinggal. Biasanya lingkungan ini harus kita rawat dengan baik agar kita bisa tinggal dengan aman dan nyaman.
Teras,
Teras, suatu tempat di mana suatu tempat mana ya Miss? Suatu tempat di luar rumah bisa digunakan untuk bersantai atau juga meletakkan kendaraan. Nah, biasanya di teras ini kita apa itu namanya? Sebagian rumah teras ini dipasang oleh kanopi agar tidak terjadinya tempias dari air hujan.
ini kayaknya perlu saya edit lah. Nggak mungkin ini ruang.
Iya.
Ini nggak ruangan.
Makanya tadi saya baca pun.
Iya ya. Edit lah Miss ya.
Oke.
Nanti komplain pula lah orang tua murid kan.
Saya didn't make. That's why I said.
Bukan ruang di luar di rumah lagi.
Yes.
Bagian luar rumah bisa lah. Bagian luar
Suatu
rumah.
tempat di luar rumah.
Boleh.
Seleden.
Bagian luar rumah gitu. Atau satu tempat di luar rumah.
Is that not wrong, right?
Atau misalnya pas di graded definisinya disebut bagian luar rumah misalnya, nanti di additionalnya misalnya disebut untuk tempat bersantai, untuk duduk, misalnya gitu, ya kan? Ini diedit lah ya Miss.
Oke.
Ya Mas.
Nanti saya edit.
Oke. Ini masih bisa lagi nggak disampaikan ke murid?
Belum.
Agar mereka
PPKN
perbaiki.
belum.
Oh belum
Hari
ya.
Jumat.
Ya.
Saya edit nanti.
Okay, now we move to homework, health education. Miss, this is too easy loh, Miss. Do you like good germs? No, I don't like them.
How to say this?
Who made this? This is too easy loh, Miss.
So we should change.
Change lah, Miss.
Okay.
Yes.
I will ask.
Iya, answer ya. Do you like germs? Yes, I don't like them. No, I don't like them.
I think like this, Miss. I think that talk about do and don't. Yes.
No, health education, not English. Health education.
Education.
If like that, auxiliary verb, right? Do,
Yes.
don't, does, doesn't. It is learned in English.
Yes.
This health education. Maybe she doesn't have any question anymore to be put here. But yeah, at least not this one lah. This one even K1 can answer this one.
Yes.
Even nursery also can answer this.
But
No,
cannot
I don't
again,
like
Miss.
them. Huh?
Cannot again already shared.
It has been shared.
Yes, I did. This week, right?
This is too easy on me. Yes. Next week, don't please discuss them like this again. Yes.
Okay, Miss.
If this one can be, what activities help you avoid germs? Okay, so what activities help you
Activity?
to avoid germs?
We can wash our hand, and we can take a bath, and we can brush our teeth also.
So what is the meaning of run? Running.
Move fast on our feet. Here, it means like we walk back faster than usually, so we can move our feet faster.
If you want to wash your hand, is it important to use soap or without soap?
It is so important because the soap can help us to avoid the germs.
How many times actually do we need to brush our teeth?
Twice a day.
Can be 3 times.
Sometimes can like this, Miss. When we take a bath in the morning, after we lunch also sometimes can, and when before we go to sleep in the night.
Oke, bahasa Indonesia. Apa yang dilakukan pasukan kuman terhadap gigi kita?
Pasukan kuman itu dapat membuat gigi kita menjadi sakit, rusak, dan berlubang biasanya.
Apa itu pasukan?
Pasukan itu sekelompok orang, jangan orang deh, sekelompok makhluk hidup untuk melakukan sesuatu secara bersama-sama. Biasanya kalau misalnya sekelompok, kita kasih contoh orang lah ya, sekelompok orang. Sekelompok orang itu maksudnya kelompok orang itu adalah orang yang di dalam satu grup. Nah, dalam grup ini kita dituntut untuk bekerja sama untuk menyelesaikan suatu masalah itu.
Okay, computer. The function of shutdown.
To turn off the computer,
A small picture that shows something.
it's called icon.
The main screen on the computer.
It's called desktop.
Desktop. Okay, English. What is the meaning of yard? Yard.
YARD.
Yes.
Outdoor area around house.
Okay, this one like arranging the words. Okay. HUOESCAEV.
Okay, mouse.
HEOUSEETR.
House tree.
Not tree house, yeah.
Oh, house tree, right?
House tree.
Yes. But in the book tree house, that's why we follow.
Tree house. Tree house.
But I find it in the
House
what's
tree,
that?
right?
Google house tree.
Yes.
In the book tree house. So
Houseboat, house tree.
Nah, so we do follow the book.
Follow the book. Okay, science.
Yes.
To need something very important, what do we call?
Require.
Place to plug in devices.
Place to plug in devices. Socket.
Things we throw away.
Waste.
The function of the fan.
Fan. Can move and blows air.
Lamp.
Can what is that? Can produce light and heat.
Television.
Can produce light, sound, and heat also.
Iron.
Of course, produce heat.
Oke, the last PPKN. Untuk apa lingkungan harus dirawat?
Agar kita bisa tinggal dengan aman dan nyaman.
Mengapa halaman rumah dibiarkan terbuka?
Agar bisa menyerap air hujan dan membuat rumah menjadi lebih teduh.
Kegunaan kompor apa, Miss?
Untuk memasak, alat untuk memasak.
Ketika kita memasak, apa yang harus kita lakukan? Ya, misalnya terdapat benda tajam, gitu.
Ya. Kita harus berhati-hati terhadap benda-benda tajam yang ada di dapur.
Tumbuhan yang hidup tumbuh di halaman?
Tumbuhan
Apa?
yang hidup.
Tumbuh di halaman rumah gitu.
Tanaman hias, rumput, bunga.
Matahari itu apa sih, Miss?
Matahari itu benda langit yang memancarkan cahaya.
Bintang itu kapan kelihatan?
Pada saat malam hari.
Matahari terbit dari arah mana?
Matahari terbit dari timur.
Apakah bulan bisa memancarkan cahaya?
Tidak, bulan memancarkan cahayanya dari pantulan sinar matahari.
Kalau bintang,
Bintang bisa memancarkan sinarnya sendiri.
kapan terjadi bulan purnama?
Terjadinya bulan purnama ketika sekali sebulan.
Sekali sebulan. Tempat terbuka untuk berkumpul.
Alun-alun,
Kegiatan duduk di bawah sinar matahari.
berjemur,
Arah manakah matahari terbenam?
barat.
Okay. I think that's all for the evaluation for today, Miss. For PPKN, summary point please edit ya, Miss.
Oke, Miss.
About batas, make sure if it is correct, you don't need to edit. But teras, you should edit it.
Oke.
For others, I think it's clear. So you pass in this evaluation.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Miss.